If you're looking for a free media player that supports almost every video and audio format, VLC Media Player is one of the best options. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install it on your Windows PC. First, open your web browser and search for VLC Media Player. Then, open the official VLC website. Once you're on the download page, click the Download VLC button to download the latest Windows version. After the download finishes, open the installer. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Now, choose your preferred language, click OK, then follow the setup by clicking Next. You can keep the default installation settings, then click Install and wait a few moments while VLC Media Player is installed. When the installation is complete, click Finish to launch VLC. One helpful tip: after opening VLC, you can set it as your default media player, so your videos and music files open automatically with VLC in the future. And that's it. VLC is now ready to use, and you can start playing almost any media file without installing additional codecs. Thanks for watching.